How to add keyframes in CapCut. Alright guys, so your first step would be to actually create a new project. So once you've opened up CapCut, head over to media. Once you're on here, click on import and then go ahead and select the media you'd like to import. So once you found the media, go ahead and click on it and click on open. Now once you've opened this media, go ahead and drag it onto your timeline and simply place it in your timeline. So now once you've gone ahead to place it in your timeline, all you need to do to simply add the keyframes would be to click on it, that's to click on the media, head over to where we have basic, and at the top towards the right, you'd see keyframe. So click on add keyframe here, and then you can right click the keyframe to create variable speed animations. So the keyframes are blue, so you could just simply right click on it to add a animation. And now if you move your media head forward, you can now simply add another keyframe to the video, and you could just keep adding as many keyframes as you want. Now to delete a keyframe, just simply right click on it. You'll see the option to delete the keyframe. You could right click again on another keyframe to simply change the animation. And there are other things you can do, such as panning across images, tracking objects, and creating dynamic transitions, smooth zoom ins and zoom outs on CapCut. So you could easily do that with keyframes once you've added them to your media. And then to preview it, just go ahead and click on play to see how it plays out. All right, guys.